Welcome to the Sharpener Show. Our fans, we are here giving us sad news whereby Emurua Dikirr member of parliament, Johana, Ngeno, and 5 others have been confirmed dead following a helicopter crash this evening. According to the police reports, the helicopter registered 5YDS5 went down in Chepkep, Mosoba at around 4:45 p.m. The aircraft is believed to have attempted an emergency landing amid poor weather conditions before crashing and bursting into flames. All 6 people on board have died and their bodies are being taken care of in Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital. The late MP, who was serving his 3rd consecutive term in Parliament, had been traveling to assist in a rescue operation following a separate tragedy at the Mara River, where 2 young men were swept away by flood waters. Prior to boarding the helicopter, he visited the scene to support families affected by that incident. Now, guys, you can be able to see what's happening, and this is what Gachagua had to talk about the MP who died, and he is seeking for investigation from what has happened. We can as well get to hear from the United Opposition what they have to say about the death of Emurua Dikirr MP, Johana Ngeno. So we can be able to hear what is actually saying.
Mjumbe wa Dikirr pale Kipsigis, Johana Ngeno ameaga dunia kwa ajali ya helikopta. Sisi tunataka kuuliza uchunguzi kamili, kwa sababu tunajua huyo kiongozi amekuwa na pingamizi kali pale kwa Kipsigis, kwa sababu amekuwa kingpin ya wa Kipsigis. We want to call for a very thorough investigation into the helicopter crash that has killed the Honorable Johana Ngeno. Situmatuma rambirambi. Tunataka 1 minute of silence in honor of the Honorable Johana Ngeno, mjumbe wa pale Dikirr.